I use the GameSir Cyclone 2 controller, and I am here to teach you how to connect it to a PC in 2025. Step 1. Choose your connection mode. The GameSir Cyclone 2 supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired connection. Decide which one you want to use. Step 2. Connect using USB, fastest method. Plug the controller into your PC using a USB cable. Windows will automatically detect it, and the controller should work instantly with most games. Step 3. Connect using Bluetooth. If you want wireless, turn on Bluetooth on your PC, then press and hold the pairing button on the controller until the LED starts flashing. Select GameSir Cyclone 2 from your Bluetooth devices list and connect. Step 4. Connect using 2.4 GHz dongle. Insert the included USB wireless dongle into your PC. Turn on the controller and wait a few seconds for it to pair automatically. Step 5. Check controller mode. Make sure the controller is in X input mode, which works best with Windows games. You can switch modes using the button combination listed in the manual. Step 6. Test the controller. Open Windows Game Controller Settings or launch a game on Steam to confirm all buttons and sticks are working correctly. Final tip: if the controller isn't detected, try switching connection modes or updating the firmware using the GameSir app. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.